Hello everyone, welcome to the third part of this tutorial. This is Google Docs tutorial part 3, or we can say the tutorial at master level. So in this video, we are going to learn some of the most important options or function of this application, and that will make you somewhere the master of this application. So here is our document. First of all, let me visualize the list that what are we going to learn in this video. So first of all, find and replace option, that how can we find any word and replace it with any other words in this document. The next, we will perform the spell check in this document. Next, we have word count, then page setup. The fifth is saving as PDF or any other format, like how can we save this document as PDF or .docx and .odt, like any other format. How can we save this document? The last, the most important part is how can we create editable link of this document so that your friend and you can work on the same project at the same time. So let's get started with the first option, that is find and replace. For this, double tap anywhere on this document, and after that go on these three dots. Here we have the find and replace option in this menu. So first of all, we will get the option to find at upper side of the screen. So right here, anything you want to find. Let's say I want to find new. After typing new, tap on this search button. Now the new is highlighted with green color marker. Now if I want to replace it, so again I have to go on these three dots and tap on replace. Now I have got the option to replace with at downside of the screen. So right here, whatever you want to replace the new with, like fresh. After typing, click on this replace to replace this new with fresh. Now you can see the new is replaced with fresh. Now click on this tick icon and your final replace is done. The next, moving ahead, we have spell check. How can we perform spell check in this document? You can see there are so many mistakes in this document. So again, double tap anywhere, go on these three dots, and then we have spell check option. Click on this and we will get the highlighted words. Those are incorrect spelling. So if you want to change this with this everyone, tap on this change option, otherwise ignore. So I am tapping on change. You can see the everyone spelling is now corrected. The next, we have update spelling. So again, tapping on change. Now all the mistakes are removed from this document. The next, moving ahead, we have word count. So how can we count the words in this document? Because sometimes our teacher or boss, I think, give a task to create a document of some particular size, like number of words. So we can perform word count from here. Tap on the word count. We have words 38, character 192, and character without spaces we have 155. Easy. So the same options we get in desktop or PC also, like if we press Ctrl+Shift+C, we can perform word count. Moving ahead, we have page setup. So double tap anywhere and go on these three dots. We have page setup option available. Tap on the page setup. We have so many options in here. First of all, we have orientation. It is set to portrait. We can set it to landscape anytime. Go back. We have paper sizes, that are letter, tabloid, legal, statement, executive, folio, A3, A4, A5, B4 and B5. So many sizes of papers are available here. So it is set to default at A4 size. The next, we have page color. It is set to white, and also we can change it to any other color, any variant of color like this, or any lighter color, we have yellow or green. Go back. Now let's see the changes. You can see the page of the color is changed now. Moving ahead, we have option of saving. How can we save this document to document format or PDF format to any other format? Go on these three dots on upper right corner. We have share and export. After tapping, we will have the menu. We have the option save as here, the third option from the last. After tapping on save as, we have different format of the file like .docx, .pdf, .odt, .txt. So you can choose any format from here. Let's choose PDF, and right after clicking on this OK, we will get our PDF to review. It is saving right now. It will take a little time. Now you can see the PDF is opening to just show that it is converted to PDF and saved in your document. Now tap on this download option. Here we have download button to download this document. Go back, and the most important part is that how can we create editable link of this document, because sometimes there is a group work and we want to work together with our colleagues and teammates. So go on these three dots. Again, go on share and export. We have the first option, share. So tap on this share. Now do not write anything here. At downside we have a lock button. So tap on this lock button. We have written here link only people edit can open with this link. So we want to change this setting. So do you want others to view only? Do you want others to comment, or do you want others to edit? So the third option is appropriate. We want others to edit. It will take a little time to apply the changes. Now tap on this link, and the last option is copy link. Now link is copied to your clipboard. You can share this link with your friends so that they can also edit your document at the same time. It will be like a project work of your team. So that's all for this video, and if you are new to this channel or watching my videos for the first time, do subscribe my channel for more useful videos on professional applications used on phones. That's all. Thank you for watching the full video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon.